Hello, Sophie D'Souza here, Sophie Stained Glass. I'm here today with my trusty helper, Frida, and she's here to help me with a very delicate operation. And I'm hoping to demonstrate with this video how to flip a vulnerable piece of glass after you've only soldered one side. I may of course be just immortalising the moment when I break it.
Or when I break it.
So, lots of fun. I've already talked Frida through the process. I guess let's give it a go. So this stained glass is on a board at the moment. We're going to get it to the upright position. Hang on, let's bring it a bit further over so we can flip it down. Right, we're going to lean it on the green board and remove the brown. And lower it. Woo! I didn't hear any nasty dings or snaps. Ta-da! And it is with great relief I say thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe.